I already applied skincare, so I'm going to apply sunscreen right now. This one is from MACQUEEN, New York. So for school, I prefer not wearing foundation just because it's more comfortable. So I'm just going to wear concealer, and I'm putting that under the eyes. And then for eye makeup, I'm going to use this palette from CORINGCO. Aren't the colors are so okay? The colors are so pretty. Whoa! I'm going to take this taupe shade and put that all over the lid. Like that, and then I'm also going to put the same shadow on the lower lash line. I'm going to use some of this rosy shade. I'm going to put that on the outer V. And finally, I'm going to use this top left glitter and put that on the lid. I'm using my finger because it can pick up a lot of product. And I'm also going to use that same glitter on the lower lash line. And then slightly lean out like that. Make sure you tilt your face up so you don't leave any gaps in the bottom. And then you can add mascara if you'd like, but I don't usually like adding mascara, so I just leave it like this. For blush, I'm going to use this one from 3CE. It's their face blush in Rose Beige. For lips, I'm going to use this one from It has several colors, so you can bring this to school and then choose whichever one you'd want. I like these because they're more portable. This is falling. So you don't have to bring like 10 different ones. I'm going to use the first shade. Then I'm going to use the second to the bottom shade. And done. Oh my gosh, my bangs are always like that. So I hope you guys liked that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!